Hey everyone, welcome to Multimagics channel. Are you excited to learn the HTML and the CSS course from the scratch? You are in the right place. I'm Bhavita and this course I'll take you from beginner to confident web developer. The main reason to do this video, our organization MyGa is working on two exciting products. One is App Insight and one is Multimagics. While we working on App Insight, we just realized that we need to train our interns which are joining in our team. And we also have a thought that why this video should helpful for everyone, not only just for the interns. So that's why we are launching this series on the YouTube where people can learn the web development easily. Without any delay, let's get into the video. First of all, welcome to this course. In this course, you will learn the fundamental concepts of HTML and the CSS. HTML is like the backbone of every web page. It is used to help design the web pages. It just help you to structure the content, while CSS make you look website more beautiful by adding more colors and the styles and the layouts to it. And you can also learn by this end of this course, you can create and structure web pages using HTML, and you can style your web pages with CSS to make them very attractive. And you can also understand the concepts like tags, elements, properties, and responsive design. Let's get started our journey to become a web developer. Let's know one by one. What are HTML and CSS? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, used to create and design the web pages. It is the one of the language used to create and design the web pages. HTML is like the skeleton of a web page. It holds all the content together to form a structure. For example, if you take website as a human body, where this HTML as like the skeleton of a body, it gives the shape and the structure. And markup language is represented by these tags. By using the tags, we are going to write the code. Let's know about these tags. What is mean by these tags? Tags are the special keywords that tells the browser how to display the content. These are the special keywords. It tells the browser what to do. Think as it like it's giving the instructions to the browser. Tags are enclosed in the angular brackets and usually come in the place of opening tag and the closing tag. And tags are always goes inside the angular brackets. These are the opening tag and this is the closing tag. If there is a slash in between this is nothing but the closing tag. Here is the syntax. Here we are specify the tag names and we should write the content here. Whatever content you have, you can write in between these tags. And this is the closing tag. We have so many tags in the HTML, and some of them tags are like these H1 tag and P tag. H1 tag is used for the heading tags and P is used for the paragraph tags. In the HTML, we have so many of them tags. We will know more about it in the further videos. Let's know what is mean by CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is one of the styling language which is developed to decorate your web pages. Where the CSS is just like the skin, style, hair, color. It's just like the fashion of a web page. It add more colors and to styles to your web page to look stunning. And why should we learn these HTML and CSS? First of all, it is easy to learn, and these HTML and the CSS are just like the building blocks of the web page. If you visit every website from Google to Instagram, these two technologies are playing major key role. For example, if I show you, if I'm going to take one company website as a reference, I'm going to take my company website as a reference. It's MyGa Inc. If I inspect this page, if I inspect this page, if you observe clearly, all the code is in the format of HTML. So that's why this is the game changer. So everyone need to learn. Without the HTML, there is no web page. Without the CSS, the web page looks boring. But together, they will create the magic. So everyone need to learn the HTML. Let's get back to our presentation. And what you need to get started, first of all, you need your text editor. We are going to use the Visual Studio Code, and to see the output, we need web browser. that it may be Chrome, Firefox, or Safari, etc. And you should also have the basic knowledge of computer. Nowadays, everybody having the basic knowledge on computer. No need to bother about that. To install the Visual Studio Code, simply you go for the Google and search Visual Studio Code download. There it is. And according to your OS, you can simply download here, which I have already installed in my system. So I'm not showing the steps. And let's get back to the presentation. And there it is, our first topic, that is nothing but the HTML template. Template is a format which is common and fixed for all the programmers. For example, template is nothing but a recipe. For every recipe there is a fixed format. Same as in the manner in the HTML also we do have a fixed format, that is nothing but this is the HTML template. The HTML template starts with HTML tag and ends with the HTML tag. If you observe it, it starts with HTML and ends with the HTML. And let's know one by one to get more knowledge on it. First is the doc type. The doc type is a declaration at the top of the document that tells the browser which version of the HTML the document is written in. This simply tells the browser that this is the HTML5 document. Simply, we can say that, hey, it tells the browser like, hey, this is a HTML5 document. Why this is important is, without the browser, it might not display the page correctly. And coming to the HTML tag, it is the root element of the HTML page. This is nothing but the combination of head and the body tag is nothing but the HTML program. Everything inside your web page goes between this HTML tag. It's just like a container holding all the content. And coming to the head tag holds the information of your web page like titles and links and the style sheets and the settings. What it does is, it does not visible on the web page. It helps the browser to display the content properly. It's just like the brain of your web page, like controlling the settings behind the scenes. And coming to the body tag, it consists of coding which is responsible to appear on the body section of a web page. This is the visible part of your website where where the content people can see. Everything we write in the body section. And coming to the title tag, the title element specifies a title for the HTML page. If you want to set the title for your web page, you can go for these title tags. Let's create our first web page. I'll show you. To create a first web page, I'm going to create a new folder and name it as like first web page, and I'm going to open it in the Visual Studio Code. And there it is. For the Windows, you can simply right click on the folder and you have an option like show more options, and you can directly open with VS Code. In this, I'm going to create a file name as index.html. To get the HTML template, there is a shortcut key called shift exclamation mark and hit enter, which we have seen before, like the doc type and the HTML and the head and body and so and so. First of all, I'm going to give my web page name as sample web page. In the body section, I'm going to write something like that. This is the content where, where the people can see. To see the output, before see the output, I'm going to use the extension called live server. To get this live server, there is an option called you can simply go and search for the live server. There it is. You can simply install it here. I have already installed in my system, so I'm not showing it. Let's get back to this. Okay, let's see the output. There it is. There it is. If you observe clearly, whatever I have written in the title, that can be viewed here. Whatever I have written in the body section, that can be viewed here. I have created the title as sample web page, and I have created the body. That's all about this HTML template. And let's get back to the presentation. And we have created our first template. Uh, in this video, we have learned the basics like what is HTML and the CSS and why HTML is important, and also we have looked the HTML template, and also understanding the basic tags like doc type, HTML head, and the body, and also the title tags. And we have also created a simple web page. In the next video, we will learn about the heading tags, paragraph tag, and the breaking tag, and also we have know about the text formatting tags as well. That's all about the today's video. Let me know in the comment section after created your first web page, and also don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bells so that you can't miss the next video. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.